Hi, welcome to your 10-minute yoga practice to drop what you think you know about what your body's able to do today or what you think it should be able to do today. And be in this space of, right now, anything's possible, and let's just be curious. I'll have you start in child's pose. Bring your knees wide to the edge of your mat. Pull your belly button in and up towards your spine. Shrug your shoulders up towards your ears and then press the shoulder blades towards your spine. That might mean you come up onto the tips of your fingers. Take one more breath in here. Deep breath out. Tabletop for a couple of cows and cats. Bring your knees hip distance apart. Inhale, look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round, look back towards your belly button. As you do that one more time, drop what you think your body should do, what you think you know your body should do. Instead, just be with your body as it is and as it isn't. Downward facing dog. Send your hips up in the air, take some movement, bend one knee, bend the other. Again, let go of what you think you know about your body. Instead, be with your body as it is in this moment. One more breath in, breath out. Walk your hands back to your feet. Option to clasp your hands at your low back, if that's okay with your body, or take ragdoll, grab onto opposite elbow creases. Drop what you think your body should feel like in forward fold and ragdoll, and let yourself just be in the breath. Let the breath cause shift. Squeeze the legs together, slight bend in the knees, extended mountain pose. Inhale, stretch high. Draw hands into heart center, breathe out. Focus your eyes on the space where your middle fingertips connect. Deep breath in. Pull pit of belly to spine, breathe out. Press shoulder blades towards back. Inhale, stretch up. Forward fold, slight bend in the knees, squeeze the legs towards each other. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, walk your hands towards the front of your mat. Option to lower the knees, look out in front of your mat, deep breath in, drop what you think your body should be able to do. Instead, go as low as your body says is okay in a low plank. Inhale, go to the space where your body says is okay in up dog. Downward facing dog. When we're in the experience of right now, with what is, with what isn't, there's all sorts of possibilities with a sense of freedom. Lift your heels, look to the front of your mat. Exhale, step or jump there. Flat back, breathe in. Fold, breathe out. Chair pose, sit the hips low. Reach the arms high if that's okay with your neck and shoulders. You could cactus the arms or even bring hands to prayer. Deep breath in. See what's possible. Sit as low as your body says is okay today. Pull belly button to spine, breathe in. Option to go even deeper, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, stretch up. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Kick the right leg up in the air behind you, breathe in. Low lunge, breathe out. Turn the back foot flat, warrior one, reach the arms overhead. Inhale. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine, exhale. Lift the front of the pelvis up towards the belly button, deep breath in. Lunge deeper into the front knee, breathe out. Eagle pose, slowly transfer your weight to your front foot. Bring the left knee over, left arm under, give yourself a bear hug, or wind the arms up, deep breath in. Squeeze the shins towards each other, breathe out. Drop what you think you know and just go to the place that you can in this moment. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Kick the left leg up in the air, breathe in. Low lunge, breathe out. For warrior one, turn the back foot flat. Reach the arms high. See one thing out in front of you, breathe in. Press into the back heel as you lunge as deep as you can right here. Inhale, stretch the fingertips high towards the ceiling. Eagle, Right leg over, transfer your weight to your front foot. Option to balance your arms on a chair, right arm under this time, or balance your foot on a floor or the block. Squeeze the shin bones together, breathe in, drop what you know, and just go as low as is possible right here. Extended mountain pose, inhale, stretch up. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. High to low plank, breathe out. Take your time, adapt as you need for what's needed in this moment. Up dog to down dog. Big breath in, big breath out. Bring the right foot to the front of your mat, lower the back knee down. We'll take a half camel, deep breath in, stretch the arms high. Bring left hand to low back. Cactus the right arm out, look up towards the ceiling. Pull the right hip back. Bring your eyes to one spot. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your arms back up towards the ceiling. Breathe in, switch sides, breathe out. However you want to make the transition, left foot forward, lower the back knee. Stretch the arms overhead, breathe in. Half camel, right hand to low back. Cactus the arms, look up. Gentle back bend, breathe in. If you're feeling super bendy in this moment, you could bring the right hand down to the back heel for 5, 4, 3, 2. Stretch both arms up, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Big breath in. Empty out. Lift your heels, look forward. Exhale, step or jump to the front of the mat. Flat back, inhale. Fold, exhale. Chair pose, breathe in. Boat pose, have a seat, however you want to get there. Sit up tall, pull the shoulders back. You could keep the hands on the back of the thighs. Just see what's possible right here. Drop what you think you know and check in. Like maybe you can do more than you thought. Maybe today you can't do as much as you thought. The invitation is to be with yourself exactly as you are not in this moment. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Figure 4, bring the right ankle across the left thigh. Press the chest forward. Pull the belly button in and up towards the spine. One more breath here. Let yourself be. Switch sides as you breathe in. Breathe out. Settle your eyes to one spot on the floor or close your eyes. Take 2 more breaths here. One more breath. Time to send your feet up in the air. Could be waterfall pose with your hips on your arms for a little elevation of the hips. If you have a block or a pillow, put your hips on the block and stretch your feet up. Drop what you know is a yogic practice. Letting things be as they are not, moment to moment, not just in the physical practice, but in your life as well. And it opens up lots of possibilities of freedom and peace without resistance. Come down onto your back for a supine twist. One or both knees to the right. One breath in. One breath out. Switch sides. Twist one or both knees to the other side. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Take a moment in Shavasana, final relaxation. You can bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Let the breath go. If you have more time in your day, please stay here and give yourself at least 5 more breaths. Otherwise, roll over to your right side. in a fetal position. Acknowledge yourselves. So carving the time out of your day to move mindfully for 10 minutes. Really good work. Come up to a seated position. Bring your palms to touch at the center of your chest. Give yourself one more big breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.